Hi guys, this is Kajal. Welcomes you to my YouTube channel Kajal's Maths. So guys, in this course we will be learning about set relations and functions.
This course is for all CPT aspiring students and those who belongs to 11th and 12th grade from commerce stream. And in this course, we are going to learn about set relations and functions in detail. This course is brought to you by me, Ms. Kajal Lohade, a perfect maths buddy. Okay, in the first lesson, we have studied what is set and how to represent set by using different types of methods. In this lesson, which is our lesson number 2, we are going to study types of sets. Okay guys, we will also learn what is cardinality of set. So, first I will introduce myself to you who are new here. So, I am Kajal Lohade. I am maths professional buddy. I have master's degree in mathematics. That means I have completed my MSc in mathematics with A+ grade. Currently, I provide personal maths tutoring sessions for all ages and levels, including different competitive exams like CAT, MBA CET, MCA CET, SAT, NET and high school maths topic also. So, I have experience of teaching maths to different kinds of students. This is all about me. And now let's start our lesson. First, we will learn the cardinality of set. So, basically, what is cardinality? Cardinality means number of elements present in a set. Okay, so let's define it. The number of distinct elements contained in a set, finite set, is known as cardinality of that set. Okay guys, here one word finite set comes that we are going to study. For now, the number of distinct elements. Okay, distinct means different elements. If the same element repeated in the set, you have to count it as only once. So, the number of distinct elements contains in a finite set is known as cardinality of that set. For finite set A, it is denoted by n of A. So, for cardinality, we denote it as n of A. N of A means number of elements present in set A or cardinality of set A. So, if set A is like this, it contains A, B, C, D. That means here 4 elements are present. So, we can say that n of A is equals to 4 or cardinality of set A is 4. So, it is very simple. Whatever the number of elements present, you just need to count them. This is our cardinality. Okay. Here one point you should note is, while listing the elements of a set, if the elements are repeated, write them once. Like if the set is given like this, A, B, C, B, D and so on. So, here element B is repeated. So, while writing this, the proper way is to write repeated element only once. Okay. So, this is the correct way of writing set. So, the cardinality will become 4. I hope you got this. Let's move on to the types. So, basically there are 4 types of sets. First one is empty set, singleton set, finite set and infinite set. Okay guys, we are going to learn all of 4 the sets one by one. So, let's start with empty set. Empty set is also known as null or void set. Okay, by name you can see that empty set means null set or void set. So, the definition is, a set containing no element is called an empty or a null set. It is denoted by the symbol phi or like this or void set. So, definition says that when a given set contains no element, okay, if there is no element in that set, then we say that empty. What is the meaning of empty? Empty means there is nothing. So, such a type of set, if given set contains no element, blank set, we call it as empty set or null set or void set. All has same meaning. And how we denote the null set? By symbol phi or only writing the curly braces. So, this is our empty set. Empty set or void set or null set. Example, set A is, how we did this, set of x such that x belongs to natural number and 1 is less than x is less than 2. So guys, here set A is given, it is the set of all x which belongs to natural number n such that 1 is less than x and x is less than 2. Is this possible? No, because for this 1 is less than x and x is less than 2, we need to take the set of like decimal numbers 1.1, 1.2. If x is equals to this, then we can make the set. But if we take the values of x like this, then these are not belongs to n. So any x satisfying this property is not possible. So we get the set as void set, blank. There is no element. So n of A here is 0. So we can say that cardinality of empty set is 0 always because there is no element present. Okay. So next type is Singleton set. A set containing only one element is called a Singleton set. So any set which has only one element means n of A is equals to 1. Any set having cardinality 1, we call it as Singleton set, means only single element is present. Example, let A be the set of all integers which are neither positive nor negative. So we know only one integer is there which is not positive and not negative and which is 0. So the set A is nothing but equals to, inside the curly bracket is 0 and here n of A is 1. So here cardinality is 1, so we can say that this is Singleton set. Now the third type of set is finite set. Finite, by the name you can remember, a set in which the process of counting of elements comes to an end is called a finite set. Okay, it's very hard language. In simpler language, if in a given set we can count the number of elements present in that set, then we can say that finite set. Means process of counting elements comes to an end. Means we can count the number of elements. Okay, in simple language. Such a set is called finite set, or set in which finite number of elements are present, then we can say that finite set. Like the set of letters in the word beautiful. So all the letters make set of their B, E, E, U, T, I, F, L. So here all these elements we can count them. So here the process of counting ends after the letter L. So this is finite set and here the n of A is 8. Cardinality is 8. Okay guys, so here A is finite set. Sorry, this is printing mistake. Here note to remember is an empty set is finite set. We know that in empty set cardinality is 0, but still it is finite set because we can count. Now we know there is no element, we are counting that also. So empty set is a finite set. This is very important point to remember. They can ask you in MCQs. Okay, so don't forget. And last type of set is infinite set. A set which is not finite is called an infinite set. Very simple definition. Such a set which is not finite means we cannot count the total number of elements in that set, or if infinite number of elements are present in a set, then we call it as infinite set. Like set of natural numbers, n, z, set of integers, set of all points on a circle. These all are the example of infinite set. You know there are infinite number of natural numbers. So if we make the set of all natural numbers, there are so on up to infinity. So we cannot count the total number of sets. So this is not finite set. So we call it as infinite set. Similarly, set of integers, set of all points on a circle, you can say that there are infinite number of points on a circle. So these all are the examples of infinite set. Okay. So this is the types of set we have learned in this lesson. I hope you find this lesson helpful. If you find this lesson helpful, please like and share it with others also. You can recommend my course to others also so that they can get help with their study. And for now, thanks for watching.